When it comes to premium cookware, this Delarlo whole-body Tri-Ply stainless steel 8-inch frying pan is an exceptional blend of quality, design, and functionality. Designed to cater to both amateur cooks and professional chefs, this skillet is a game-changer in the kitchen. Whether you're frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or creating gourmet meals, this pan promises unmatched performance. What makes the Delarlo Tri-Ply stainless steel frying pan special? The Delarlo 8-inch frying pan combines cutting-edge materials, ergonomic design, and durability to deliver outstanding cooking results. Its tri-ply construction ensures even heat distribution, while its detachable handle and sleek design make it versatile for any kitchen setup. Top features of the Delarlo 8-inch frying pan. 1. Tri-ply stainless steel construction. At the core of this pan's excellence is its tri-ply construction, featuring 3 layers of metal, stainless steel, and aluminum. This design ensures even heat distribution and eliminates hot spots, so your food cooks uniformly every time. 2. Energy efficiency at its best. With its high-performance materials, this pan heats up quickly and retains heat effectively, reducing energy consumption. Delarlo boasts that you'll save up to 20% on gas or electricity while cooking. 3. PFOA-free and SGS certified. Safety is a top priority. This frying pan is free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, making it a safe choice for health-conscious families. The SGS certification adds an extra layer of trust, ensuring the product meets international quality standards. 4. Detachable handle for versatility. The detachable handle is a standout feature. It allows for seamless transitions from stovetop to oven while saving storage space. The handle stays cool during stovetop use, offering comfort and safety. 5. Oven and broiler safe. This pan is built to handle high temperatures, with oven and broiler safety up to 500 grade-hours. Whether you're finishing a dish in the oven or using it for baking, the Delarlo pan can handle the task. 6. Rivet-free surface for easy cleaning. No one enjoys scrubbing cookware. Delarlo's rivet-free interior prevents food from getting trapped, making cleaning a breeze. The 18-8 food-grade stainless steel surface resists stains and doesn't react with food, ensuring consistent flavors. 7. Drip-free pouring design. The encapsulated rim offers drip-free pouring, reducing messes and making transferring liquids effortless. Why choose Delarlo over other frying pans? 1. Unparalleled durability. The Tri-Ply stainless steel construction ensures that this pan will last for years, maintaining its performance and appearance despite daily use. 2. Professional design meets practicality. With its polished surface, ergonomic handle, and superior heat control, this pan brings elegance and practicality to your kitchen. It's not just cookware, it's an investment in better cooking. 3. Compatible with all stovetops. Whether you use an induction, gas, electric, or ceramic stovetop, the Delarlo frying pan adapts effortlessly. It's truly versatile, catering to every type of cook. Cooking with the Delarlo frying pan. Real-life scenarios. Perfect searing. The even heat distribution ensures you get a perfect golden crust on meats without overcooking the interior. Delicate dishes. Sauté vegetables or fry eggs without worrying about sticking, thanks to the rivet-free surface. Oven-ready meals. Create one-pan dishes by starting on the stovetop and finishing in the oven. The detachable handle makes this transition effortless. Energy-efficient cooking. Save on utility bills without compromising cooking quality, ideal for frequent cooks. How to care for your Delarlo frying pan. Proper maintenance ensures long-lasting performance. Here are some tips. 1. Hand wash. Recommended. Avoid using dishwashers to preserve the polished finish. 2. Use mild detergents. Gentle cleaning agents work best for stainless steel surfaces. 3. Avoid high heat without food. Preheating an empty pan can cause warping over time. Conclusion. Is the Delarlo Tri-Ply frying pan worth it? This Delarlo whole-body Tri-Ply stainless steel 8-inch frying pan is more than just cookware. It's a kitchen designed to make your cooking experience effortless and enjoyable. Its professional-grade construction, user-friendly features, and commitment to safety make it a top-tier choice for any kitchen. Whether you're a busy parent or an aspiring chef, this frying pan offers the durability and performance needed to elevate your meals. Don't wait to upgrade your kitchen essentials. This frying pan is a worthy investment. Ready to transform your cooking game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.